Hey guys, it's Jerica at Michelle's. So Western's Homecoming is going to be here before you know it, so I wanted to pull some dresses that we have here that could be just whatever you want to wear for the homecoming game. So you don't obviously have to be in homecoming to be wearing these dresses. I know a lot of girls dress up for Western's Homecoming, so I wanted to pull some dresses that are a good price range and they would be perfect for the game. So this one is a kind of an ivory shade. It has some lace on it. It is one-shouldered. It is just a really basic tulle. So it's just really nice and simple. This is, let's see, it's a nude. It's a size 0 and it's $42. The next one that I pulled is this black one. It is a fitted black. It's kind of a stretchy fabric though, so it's really nice for being comfortable. And then it does have these little straps in the back, which is super, super cute. It is a size 2 and it's $18, so that's a great price. All right, this next one is another just basic black. It is more of an A-line. It's not super fitted, so it's gonna also be comfortable. And then it is a size 4 and it's also $18. This next one is a little more bridesmaid. So we have a lot of short bridesmaid dresses. So I only pulled this one just to give you guys an idea. So it doesn't have to be dressed up as a bridesmaid dress, but I did want you guys to know that we do have really cute, simple dresses like this. Just really basic, has some ruffles on the skirt, and there's the back of it. It is a size 6 and it's $55. The next one here is another fitted one. It has these little cold shoulder kind of like sleeves here. It does have some cutouts in the front. It's nice and fitted. It does have a zipper straight down the back. It is a size 6 and it's $35. The next one here is another really fitted red one, and it does have little cutouts to it. And then the back of it has cutouts too, those little lines there. It is a little more on the pricier side, however. It's a Tarani. It's a size 6. It retails for $176 and it's $99. This next one is super cute, and it'd be good for someone that's a little taller because it is a little longer, or if you like the dresses that kind of hit you right at the calf or at the shin level. It is just really basic and it's got some lace on it and does have sleeves, so if it's cold, it's good for that. This one is size 6 and it is $108. The next one here is kind of a stretchy fabric. It's really, really nice and simple. It just has some detailing at the top. And there's the back of it. It is a size 6 and it's $30. This next one is another nice and fitted one, and it does have these really cute little white stripes at the bottom. It does have this illusion fabric right here in the front and on the neckline, and it does have something to go across the front there. And there's the back of it. It is a size 6 and $35. Alright, the next one's very similar, but does have a little more cutout on it. It is cut out kind of with the neckline is a very deep V. And then the back is pretty open. It does have cross straps there. It is a size 6, $35. This next one is a really cute cream white. It is strapless and it's like a fitted skirt, but then it does have this layer of chiffon on it. There's the back of it. It is a size 8. It is also brand new and it's $32. Next one's really nice and cute. It is like a red satin underneath with a black tulle almost on top. It does have some detailing on the skirt bottom there, and then it is a V neckline. It is a size 8 and it's $40. This next one we've shown before, but just to show you guys again because I think it's another really good homecoming dress. It is just red roses and it's got like this pleated skirt and then some ruffles and that one shoulder. And there's the back of it. It is a size 8 and it's $35. Another one that I think is super cute is this lace, and it's like one of those like thicker laces that kind of like stand up. But it's just really nice and simple too. V neckline, zipper back. It is a size 8 and it's $30. Some more whites. This one is a little fancier. It is like a chiffon, and it does have some beading on the sleeves. Really basic in the back. It's a size 10, and it's a little more expensive, but it's $89. This next one is a fitted skirt, and then it is kind of a jersey, kind of stretchier material on top, and it has this really cute bow in the back. It is, we found the tag, it's a size 10. It retailed for $160. It's brand new, and so it's $63. And the next one, I think this one's really, really cute. It's more of an ivory shade. It has this really, it has a cold shoulder right there. It does have some beading on the sleeves, and it has little buttons too. And then the back of it does have the string tie right here. It is a size 12, and it's $35. This one I pulled, it has a little more beading if you want something a little glitzier for homecoming. It is a white, and then the stones are kind of like a charcoal gray, kind of silver. And then the back of it, it's a little V neckline on both sides. It is a size 12. It's also brand new, and it is $45. Another white one that I have is, once again, that thicker lace, and this one is again going to hit you kind of more of like your shins unless you're like really tall. V neckline and front and back. And then it is Ralph Lauren. It's a size 14, and it's $44. Alright, another red one. This one's a red satin, but it's really nice and simple. It's one shoulder, but it does have a strap on the other side. And then here's the back of it. Let's see, where's the tag? This one is Jessica Simpson. It's brand new. It retailed for $140. It's a 14W, and it's $44. Alright, and then I have one more short. This one is just kind of a basic, straight. It's probably going to be a little more fitted. It's also one-shouldered. There's the back of it. It is a size 14. It's also a Ralph Lauren. It's brand new, and it's $35. Alright, and then in case if you want something a little more like a maxi dress, I pulled some of our long dresses. We have this particular dress in multiple sizes. It is a very deep V in the front and the back, and then it has a zipper back right there. Really nice simple chiffon. It is brand new. It's a size 2, and it's $75. But like I said, we also have it, I want to say in a size 6 we have a few, and then maybe even an 8. So just definitely come in and check us out if this is something you're interested in, because we do have more than just the one. We also have more than just the one in this one. It's another long one. It has a shorter skirt underneath, and then it's the chiffon on the bottom. It does have these really cute bell sleeves. Once again, that V neckline in the front and the back, but it does have this tie on the back of it. It is this particular one's a size 8. It's brand new, and oh, it's shorts. Didn't realize that. Yeah, so it's shorts underneath. And it's $50. But like I said, we also have multiples of these too. And then one more that I pulled, I absolutely love this, and I hope someone comes and gets this to wear it for homecoming because it's so cute. Just black and white stripes, and then it's like cut out on the top here. It does have straps. It is, it's a size 8, and it is $73 with 15% off, so it's really, really cute. So if you are looking for a dress to wear to the homecoming game for Western, definitely come and see us because we have a lot of options. I pulled a lot of dresses, but there's even more to pick from. So like I said, definitely come and see us. And if you have a homecoming dress from last year that you're ready to get rid of, come consign with us, and we'd love to help you out. All right, thank you guys. Bye.